Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a default payment card for Express Transit card in Wallet and Apple Pay on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, in here, scroll down and go to the Transit Cards section. Tap on Express Transit Card. From here, select a payment card to use as the default. And said here, the card you select will work automatically without requiring Face ID or your passcode. Just hold the iPhone near a supported transit reader. And that's it. When you run out of credit, it will automatically charge to your payment card. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.